A 75 milliliter solution of HCl with an unknown concentration is titrated to the equivalence point with 27.3 milliliters of 0.157 concentration CaOH2. What was the concentration of HCl in the original solution? So you put HCl plus CaOH2, and that goes to H2O plus CaCl2, because you pair the H with the OH2, or pair the H with the OH, and then the Cl with the Ca. And so that becomes H2O and Ca plus Cl, which is CaCl2. And it's CaCl2 because calcium has a +2 charge and chlorine has a -1. And so when you cross it, it becomes CaCl2. And so then after that, you balance the equation. And so it would be 2HCl plus CaOH2, and that goes to 2H2O plus CaCl2. And there's a 1 in front of these. And so how you can check if it's balanced is you count the number of hydrogens. So it'd be 1, 2, and that's 2, and then 3, 4, and so there's 4 hydrogens. How many chlorines? So 1, 2, because there's a 2 in front of this. And then calcium is 1, and then the oxygen is just 2 from this. And then you can check on this side because 2 times 2 is 4, and so that's 4 hydrogens. And then chlorine, there is 2 from this because 2 times 1 is just 2. And then calcium, there's just 1. And then oxygen, there's 2 because of this. And so you can see that these numbers are the same, and that means they're balanced. And so when you draw the picture, you put CaOH2, so that's 1 calcium and 2 hydroxides. So CaOH, and then the hydrogen chlorine, so HCl, so it's 1 H and 1 Cl. And then it's in a solution, this is in a solution of 27.3 milliliters. And when you convert it into liters, it becomes 0.0273 liters. And this is 75, this is in a 75 milliliter solution, and this would be converted into 0.075 liters. And so you're trying to find the concentration. And so you would put what you have for this. So you know that there's 75 milliliter solution of HCl. And when you convert this to liters, it would be 0.075 liters times something concentration. And so you're trying to find this. So you get the liters of this times this to find the moles of CaOH2. So it'd be 0.0273 liters, which would be that, times 0.157 concentration of CaOH2. And you would, right here, you would look at the equation that we made earlier. And so that would be 1 mole of CaOH2 is 2 moles of HCl. And then when you multiply all of this together and then divide it by 1, or you don't have to, and that would be this. And then so to find the concentration, you have to divide this on both sides, and that would be 0.144 concentration of HCl. And some common mistakes: you have to convert the moles of one ingredient into the moles of the other ingredient by using the balanced chemical equation, which is this.